Hello everyone, in today's video I'm gonna talk about how to use the image comparison widget of our htmega plugin. You can use this widget to compare before and after images for grading, CGI, and any kind of retouching comparisons. Now I'm gonna show you how you can display the comparison between two images easily. First of all, create a section and search for the image comparison widget. Drag the widget to the section. From the image comparison panel, you can upload before and after images. You can also set the image size from here. In the additional settings panel, you'll get options to add labels for these images. Here you can set the starting point for the before image. Select the label position from here. In the Style tab, you can have complete control over the styles for all the elements of this widget. So this way you can display the comparison between two images using the image comparison widget. If you have any suggestions to make this widget even better, please let us know in the comments below. So that's it from me today. See you next time.